After your class ends, the learning doesn't stop. English Bright makes it simple to continue practice by sending homework in just a few clicks. After class, send homework. After your lesson, send the online homework link to your student. The homework is already prepared inside the platform, so there's no need to create extra worksheets or materials. To send it, simply copy the link and paste it into your chosen parent communication channel, whether that's WeChat for families in China, WhatsApp, email, or your class messaging app. Parents can click the link directly or copy and paste it into their browser. Before sending, it's helpful to quickly explain how the homework works so parents know what to expect. Important information for parents. This is online homework, nothing to download. No login is required, no account creation is needed. The homework is self-checking, so answers appear immediately.
Let's find the pig.
There is no homework for review lessons, lessons 5 and 11, or knowledge check lessons, lessons 6 and 12, because these lessons serve as assessments to measure student progress. For writing and speaking tasks, students can send their work to you if your homework policy requires it. You can then review their responses and provide feedback as needed. It's quick, simple, and keeps learning going even after class ends. Repeat the proven flow. Teach confidently using the same structured system every time. Pat yourself on the back. You just saved prep time and ran a smooth, confident class. Happy teachers, happy students, happy parents.